Hey guys, welcome back to Math with Mrs. Smith. So what we're going to do here is we're going to complete page 51 together. So page 51 is a page where we need to list some important information and then complete the page using the information. So what's tricky about this one is that we need to do some serious reading and some understanding and before we do this. So what's lucky about the beginning is that I'm going to read it to you and then we're going to put the information together in order to complete the page. Okay, so the first thing I need you to do is I know we need a brown crayon, a yellow crayon, a blue crayon, and an orange crayon. So you could either use a crayon or a colored pencil. You could use a marker, but the rule for Mrs. Smith is that markers don't erase. That's kind of like just makes sense, right? So if we make a mistake with a marker, we're in big trouble. So for this one, where I use a crayon, or in this case, I use my computer. So Tyrone has a brown dog and a yellow dog. So I see two dogs here in number 1. I know that one of those dogs is what color, first grade? One dog is brown. This is how I color him in using my computer. And another dog is yellow. Okay. He has 2 dog beds for the dogs. One bed is blue and the other is orange. So I'll just make this bed blue and the other one orange. Okay. Color the dogs and beds to show the 2 different ways the dogs can sleep in the beds. Well, in this first example, I have a what kind of dog? A brown dog in a blue bed. And here is the yellow dog in the orange bed. Now down here, do you think they want me to do brown in a blue bed and yellow in an orange bed again? No, they want me to show a different way those dogs can be sleeping. So for instance, in my house, we have 2 cat beds. We have a red bed and a black bed. And the cats take turns sleeping in both of them. So I would think that these dogs would take turns as well. So this brown dog, he's still going to be here, but he's actually sleeping in the orange bed this time. That means that the yellow dog is sleeping in the blue bed. Do you see how these are 2 different options? We have brown in the blue bed, yellow in the orange, brown in the orange bed, and yellow in the blue. Okay. Now on page 52, you can try this one on your own as a challenge. You don't have to do this page, but you might want to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read it to you, and then I want you to try to answer it on your own. Lisa has a black dog and a red dog. She has 2 leashes for the dogs. One leash is purple and the other is green. Color the dogs and the leashes to show the 2 different ways she can put the leashes on the dogs. So they both use both of those leashes. So we have to make 2 different combinations in order to answer this question. All right. Well, I hope you've enjoyed your very first math lesson in first grade, and know that we will do lots more math together. And I hope you've had a great day so far. See you soon.